Hello everyone. Today we are going to start switch cases. So, what are switch cases? Switch cases are something just like a switches in your home. Suppose we have a 10 switches and we have to turn on the fan, and we know all the switches which are which switch. So, if you have to turn on the fan, we directly go to that switch and turn it on. Similarly, switch case works. Here you can see that we have written the syntax of the switch case with the example in which we are accepting any integer and we are going to print which day it is of the week. So in the syntax of the switch case, here you can see that here it is written switch and here it is written the variable which is going to take a integer, and the curly bracket starts from here. From here it is written case 1 and we are going to print anything inside the case 1, and in the end we have to break. Why we have to break? Because if we are going to give 1 here, it is going to check which is the case 1 and it will print, and after that it don't have to check anyone. That's why we have to break, and so that the switch statement don't continues and get out of the switch case. So here it is a syntax of the switch case in which it is written case 2, case 3, and so on. And in the end there is a default value if any of the cases are failed or not mentioned in the integer part. So that's why it will run automatically. So various switch cases are used. They are used in the menu driven program. We are going to discuss it in the example. So here I have written case 1. Here it is space. So case 1, and at this place what data type I can take? Can I take float? Float is 1.1. Oh, so we cannot take this float. But we can take byte, short, int, even character, just like A. We can take character. String also, just like file. It is a string. So we cannot take float or double, but we can take byte, short, int, char, and string. So now we are going to compare it with the if else statement. In the switch program, it will check the day value. If it is 1, then it will directly go to the 1. If it is 3, it will check it is a 3 and then it will directly go to the 3. It will not check any of this. But in if statement, if I have given 3, it will check first. Oh, this is not satisfied. So it will check second and then third. So this if else statement is time taking. So this is the difference between if else statement and switch cases. And now we are going to see the example. So in menu driven programs, switch cases are used. So where we have seen the menu in Windows, everywhere you can see the menu. Just like here in any file, you can see new, open, save as, close, exit. So how this works? So here you can see that I have given the option. This is string open. So this will check whether the option is open, new, or any from this now. So it will check directly open. So it will execute the statements here and then it will break. If here it is written new, then it will directly go to the new and then it will break. So this is how switch cases work, and this is the difference between if else statement. So that's all for now. We are going to see this with example in the VS Code from in the next video. Thank you.